Hi, my name is Emma Cook, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly splint an extremity. So first, I'm going to have my gloves and everything, and when I approach the patient, I'm going to ask for their consent to treat them, and then right now, I'm going to check her leg for any injuries, and she has a lower left leg injury, and so to splint this, I'm going to start by putting a blanket in between her legs, just so that way it's a little more stabilized, and so that way her legs aren't going to be coming together. Alright, and then as we do this, we're going to walk through the process and talk to the patient so that way they know what you're doing. And then while at home, we don't have any bandages or anything, so we're going to use what we have around the house to splint her leg. And so using the blanket, we're going to start by going in under her injured leg, and we're going to pull it out through the uninjured leg. And then when we tie this, you're going to want to be sure the knot of it is either on top of the blanket that's in the middle or on top of her uninjured leg. So we're going to tie it over here. And then depending on the height of your patient or how long the legs are is going to be how many ties you need. So for right now, we're just going to do 2, and we're going to use another tie. And we're going to tie the lower part, and we're going to also be sure that the knot goes on the blanket and not her injured leg. And then you also want to be sure that they're tight enough to stabilize, but not too tight to where you're going to lose circulation. And so after you have made all your ties, you're going to do another check to be sure that you have circulation, sensory, and motor for her lower extremities. So you're going to ask the patient, can you feel my hand touching down here? Okay, and she said she can, and then I'm going to ask, can you wiggle your toes still just to be sure? Okay, so now I know that they're not too tight, and that way it is splinted properly. And so after I'm done splinting the patient's leg, I'm going to remove my gloves the same way as normal and be sure that they are taken for treatment at the proper facilities. Thank you.